We are out at Lou Gardens in downtown Orlando celebrating Dazzling Nights. So what this is basically you walk through the Arboretum, you walk around, you enjoy the different light displays that they've put up. I think this is a fantastic thing to do as a date night or to bring the kids out to. It's beautiful. You walk around, you can take amazing photos. They have food, they have drinks, they have live musicians. I just think it's awesome. One tip though, definitely get the pay ahead parking.
Get the parking.
Yes, it's $15. It is well spent. We're going to go around right now. Our goal is lots of lights, lots of fun, and hot chocolate for sure. This is so beautiful. I love the little bit of fog. So they've got this gorgeous little arch. But what's nice here is they actually have a staff member here who will take your picture for you.
I've got a mistletoe in my hand. And the boys are lining up for my kisses all for one special guy. He's a dreamboat of a man, my own sweet buttercup. I'm just so revved up by his presence. So let this mistletoe moment be that brand new start. Oh, so fly, let the joy bring us closer together on this wonderful dazzling night, on this wonderful dazzling Hark how the bells, sweet silver bells, all seem to say, throw cares away, Christmas is here, bringing the cheer to young and old, meek and the bold, ding dong ding dong, that is their song, with joyful ring, all caroling, one seems to hear words of the cheer from everywhere, filling the air. There'll be much mistletoeing and hearts will be glowing when loved ones are near. It's the most wonderful time of the year.
Hot cocoa was achieved. Is it good?
I haven't drank it yet. It's very
Oh,
hot.
it's very hot is the report. Our reporter says it's very hot.
She's also holding a drink.
So they have a photographer here who's doing photos of families, but like a legit photographer, not just taking your camera. Like she has her camera and she's doing family photos. That's very cool. Look at this bamboo. Wow. I tell you what, this does make you want to come back and check out this beautiful garden, even on a non-event day. They do some really cool events here though. They have a dinosaur thing that I really would like to do. I think it's in the spring. Might be summer, but you're like an ice bionicle. Yes. Merry Christmas. I am just trying to figure out what it is. That's like crab arms. Needless to say, we had a fantastic time tonight. Our entire family enjoyed this so much. I would suggest a couple things. Be sure, go ahead and spring for the online parking permit. It was absolutely worth it. Come to the later one unless your kids go to bed early. And then also, get some hot chocolate, have a beer or a glass of wine as you stroll along. Don't get caught up in a tidal wave of people going by. Step aside, let them pass. Don't rush through it because you're going to have more fun. Getting to take your time, take some pictures, and have a really good time with your kids. We loved it. Our whole family had a really good time. If I were to do this again, I would make it an entire evening by going over to maybe Domu or somewhere and having dinner somewhere local around here, having an early dinner, and then coming over and enjoying this. I think this is a great way to go out and have a great time celebrating the holidays. It doesn't matter what you celebrate. It's all about just family time together, which I think we can all agree is a perfect way to spend time this time of year. So hopefully we will get to see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. Please like and subscribe and do all the things. But thank you again. And I hope you're having a wonderful time with your family on this beautiful time of year. Whoa. Well, let's walk through it during this.